I'm joining in with my awesome friend, the Helpful Home, for teeny tidy tidying up. Oh my gosh, it's a wonderful challenge. You can put it up any Tuesday, anytime, my favorite kind. You can share any cleanup in your garden, your garage, your home. And you don't have to do a large cleanup. Anything is fine. That's why it's called teeny tidy tidying up, for we can get a little bit done each week. And eventually it's going to look fabulous. Well, you know, it's always tidying up the garden. There is no end to tidying everything up. I don't know how often you clean and pull weeds out and all this out. Every week there's more to pull. And we just cleaned out all this bamboo just about a month ago, and already it's already coming back. And this is a big trash can. There is no end pulling weeds and pulling out this bamboo. No end at all. And I can show you, I already have it back in my flower beds. Oh well, that's just part of life, I guess. And we're going to go over and check out another area that we cleaned out, and we're going to have to get in there and clean it out again this coming week. I'm trying to get this area planted up, so maybe in another week we'll have more plants in here. We just cleaned this area up, and as you can see, I have all kinds of things coming up here. I'm going to get in here and clean this up, and we'll share it again next week. I did get a couple plants put in here, and it was a pretty big area, but you can see a lot of stuff has come back up. We're going to have to re-clean it out. Did get 2 plants in here. We'll shoot it from a different angle, and I did want to share with you how beautiful these are looking. I'm going to put a fairy garden together in this area probably this next week. I might even put 2 fairy gardens in here. It's looking so good. Just put these 2 plants in. I really like how they're looking. They're giving a lot of contrast next to the plants that are in this area. I'm going to take a couple cuttings off of this fire stick plant, and I'm going to put at least 1 or 2 cuttings back in here. I don't know yet. Probably show an update of that probably this next coming week. But I'm super happy how these are looking. Are they not beautiful? They look perfect for a fairy garden. I love the fern-like leaves on these, and believe it or not, I have quite a few of them around my yard now. Couldn't tell you the name of them or what they are, but I'm loving them, and I'm praying that these drop seeds for next year, since I don't know where I got them from. I throw a lot of flower seeds out in mixed ones from the Dollar Tree, and so I don't know if that's where these came from or something else, because I do have them in the front and the back. That's what I do love about throwing out seeds from Dollar Tree. You never know what you're going to get in their seed packets. So I'm really praying hard that I'm going to let these just totally die back, and hopefully I get some more of them. They're one of my favorite new ones that I have in my garden. If anyone knows the name, let me know, because I definitely would buy more of these seeds. I have some other flowers that I had a few years back in my garden that I got originally from those same seed packets, and I need to go, and I did research it and find out the name of them. And I need to get some of them put back in my garden next year, because I need to start getting more favorites. And don't these look great for a cottage garden? Just love them. Now the ones in the back are not as pretty as the ones that are here in the front. So I don't know if that means that these are getting more water from the sprinkler system, or if they just like more sun, because this does get a lot of sun. They're not having any trouble from the sun yet, but we haven't got to summertime yet either. So anyway, let me know what you think, and we're going to end up trying to plant some more of these next year. I'm going to find out the names of what these plants are, and I'll buy the seed packets. You know, when you figure out how many plants you can get out of seed packets, they're worth it. Pulled out some more plants, and the gophers have been getting into my carrots, making me very, very sad. Well, you can see those little gophers ate my carrot all the way up and killed this beautiful plant that was flowering. Oh well, I don't know how many more they're going to kill in the next week. There's a lot of carrots up here blooming right at this moment. That dirt pile down there is where a gopher got a hold of one of my carrots. It ate it right off of the plant. Yes, they do. They're just so much fun. I don't know how many more carrots they're going to wreck out here, because I see a little dirt pile right next to this carrot too. And this is making me unhappy because these have beautiful flowers. And the second dirt pile building up under this carrot. And these make such beautiful flowers, so you know I'm unhappy about this. So I better enjoy these flowers as long as I can, because shortly I won't. Oh, look at one of my little friends coming by. Can you see him there? Let me see if I can bring him in closer. See him? Yes, they help our bugs. Wish we had something to get rid of the doggone gophers. And I don't want to put poison out, because you got to worry about when you have pets and small children. So I'll just have to be sad. See the lizard coming up? Oh yeah, I love my plants and my lizards. Well, this is the end of our video and our sad problem with our carrots and our lizards. Well, the lizards are no problem. They're my joys.